I welcome all to the fifth section of equal triangles. എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ഈക്വൽ ട്രയാങ്കിൾസിന്റെ പാർട്ട് 5-ൽ നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് പഠിക്കുന്നത് ഒരു പ്രോബ്ലം സോൾവിംഗ് ആണ്. മറക്കരുത്, പാർട്ട് 1 to 4-ന്റെ ലിങ്ക് ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിൽ ഇട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. അത് പഠിച്ചതിന് ശേഷം നിങ്ങൾ ഈ പ്രോബ്ലംസ് സോൾവ് ചെയ്യാൻ പഠിക്കുക. See children, here one pair of corresponding angles are formed between two parallel lines cut by a transversal. What is the angle formed here? Angle 135, isn't it? Okay, see, another pair of corresponding angles formed between two parallel lines cut by a transversal, and the angle formed here is 45 degree each. It shows corresponding angles are equal. Here another clip shows alternate angles. Here two types of alternate angles. This is first type. This is called alternate interior angles. And another pair of alternate angles are formed and it is named as alternate exterior angles. In the figure below, the lines AB and CD are parallel and M is the midpoint of AB. First question, compute the angles of triangle AMD, triangle MBC and triangle DCM. Second, what is special about the quadrilaterals AMCD and MBCD? Did you understand the question? What you have to find in the question? In the question you have to find the angles of triangle AMD, triangle DMC and triangle BMC, right? Okay, what all the data are given in the question? First thing, AB is parallel to CD. So write down that. First data, AB parallel CD. Okay, and what is the second thing given in the question? M is the midpoint of AB. If M is the midpoint of AB, what you can say about AB? What is the length of AB here? AB is 12 centimeter. So what is AM and MP? AM equals 6 centimeter, isn't it? Why? Why AM is 6 centimeter? Because M bisect AB. M is the midpoint of AB. So AM is 6 centimeter. Also MP is 6 centimeter. Correct? So this is the second information we get from the question. Now, we have already found in the presentation that how alternate angles are equal and how corresponding angles are equal. AB is parallel to CD, correct? If AB is parallel to CD and M is a point on AB, so definitely AM is parallel to CD. മനസ്സിലായോ? M ABയുടെ ഒരു പോയിന്റ് ആണ്. AB CDയുടെ പാരലൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ definitely AM also parallel to CD. അത് ഇവിടെ എഴുതാം. Here AM is also parallel to CD. Correct? AM CD ki parallel. So, look at here. AM and CD. What are the lengths of AM and CD? AM is 6 cm. Just now we have found it. And MB also 6 cm. So, AM and CD are also equal. So, write down. Next information is AM equals CD equals 6 centimeter. Okay. Now, look at this quadrilateral AMCD. Here, AM and CD are opposite sides and also they are equal. And one more thing, they are parallel. If one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel, what type of quadrilateral it is? It is a parallelogram. We have already studied in our last class. In a quadrilateral, opposite pairs are equal and parallel. That quadrilateral will be a parallelogram. So, AM and CD are parallel in the meaning another pair of opposite sides are also parallel. So, which is another pair AD and CM. So, we can write AD is parallel to CM. AD and CM are parallel. Now look, AB is a transversal line. Cut these two parallel lines. Once again, look at here. AB is a transversal line. Cut the parallel line AD and CM. If so, and what is the angle DAM? What is angle DAM? It is given in the question. Angle DAM equals 40 degree. Correct? So what will be angle CMB? CMB is also 40 degree. Why? Why? Because these two angles are corresponding angles. We have already seen in the presentation. Corresponding angles are equal. So, angle DAM equals angle CMB equals 40 degree. Now, look at here. Another side, MB. Since AM is parallel to CD, again we can say that MB is also parallel to CD. Write down. MB parallel to CD. Okay. And what is the length of MB? 6 centimeter. And what is CD? It is also 6 centimeter. So, what we can talk about this quadrilateral MBCD? Here also opposite pair. One pair of opposite sides are parallel and also equal. So that this quadrilateral is also parallelogram. So, we can say that here MB equals CD equals 6 centimeter. So that we can say that another pair is also parallel. Which is another pair? That is MD and BC. So we can write here MD parallel. MD is parallel to which side? BC. So, BC. And here 60 degree already given. Angle MBC is 60 degree. So what will be the angle AMD? It is also 60 degree. What is the reason? Both are corresponding angles. So write it down. This is also 60 degree. So we can write angle MBC equals which angle? Angle AMD. Angle AMD equals 60 degree. Okay. So these two angles also corresponding angles. Now look at here. What is the sum of angles of a triangle? It is 180. Here in triangle AMD we got two angles. How to find remaining angle? Add these two angles and separate from 180. So what is angle D here? So first add 40 plus 60. It is 100. So 180 minus 100, it is 180 minus 100 equals 80 degree. So you will get this angle also. This angle is 80 degree. Same way we can find angle C. Just find it. What is angle C? It is also same procedure. Add these two angles and separate from 180. Here also you will get 80 degree. Okay children, now we are going to find angles of triangle DCM. What are the angles of triangle DCM? Angle MDC, angle DCM and angle CMD. Right? Now look at here. Here AM is parallel to CD and also AD is parallel to CM. Correct? What is the transversal line here? MD is transversal line of CD and AM. Here angle ADM is 80 degree. Correct? It is given. So write down angle ADM equals 80 degree. So what will be angle DMC? Here, what is this angle? Can you find out? What will be this angle? Correct. It is 80 degree. Why it is 80? If this angle is 80, this is also 80. What is the reason? We have found in the presentation, these two angles are alternate angles and alternate angles are equal. So, angle DMC equals 80 degree. Write it down. This is, so I am rubbing the question mark. We can write here 80 degree. Okay. And another alternate angles. This is angle AMD is 60 degree. So that angle CDM is also 60 degree. The reason is alternate angles. So here you can mark this angle 60 degree. 60, 60. 80 degree, 80 degree. So this is one pair of alternate angles. This is second pair. And one more pair of alternate angles are here. Which is that? Here, angle CMB, 40 degree. So that angle DCM is also 40 degree. Reason is alternate angles are equal. Otherwise, if you find these two angles, you can add these two angles and subtract from 180. Then also you are going to get 40 degree. Okay. Now we have found separately angles of triangle AMD, angles of triangle DCM, angles of triangle MBC. This is the first question asked in this question number 5. So you can write it down, all the angles. Okay. So that first part is over. Now look into the second section. What is the special about the quadrilateral AMCD and MBCD? Second sub question is, what is special about quadrilateral AMCD and quadrilateral MBCD? For that, I have drawn these two quadrilaterals separately. Watch this. AMCD, one quadrilateral, MBCD, another quadrilateral. Now we can write down the angles. What is angle A here? 40 degree. Write it down. 40. What is angle M? Angle M. Angle M means 60 plus 80. What is 60 plus 80? 140. 140 degree. Again, angle C here 40 degree. And angle D here again 80 plus 60, that is 140 degree. Okay, now we have written the angles of quadrilateral AMCD. Same way, please write down the angles of quadrilateral MBCD. Find out what is angle M here. This is quadrilateral MBCD. Here is angle M. So you have to add 80 plus 40. It is 120. Angle M is 120. Angle B is 60 degree. Again, angle C means 40 plus 80. Again 120 degree. And angle D. Angle D is 60 degree. So what is the special about these two quadrilaterals? Watch the angles. Look at the angles of these two quadrilaterals. Are they same or equal? No, they are not equal. So once you overlap one quadrilateral over the another, will it overlap completely? No. So that we can say that these quadrilaterals are not equal. And how about this? Their opposite sides are equal because CD is 6 centimeter, MB is 6, CD is 6. So we can say that opposite sides are equal and also parallel. We can say these two quadrilaterals are parallelograms. So first thing we have noted that quadrilateral AMCD and quadrilateral MBCD are parallelograms, but they are not equal. Okay. Now another important thing you have to note here, these two quadrilaterals are lying between same parallel lines. So, and also their bases are equal. Here AM is 6 centimeter, MP also 6 centimeter. So the base of these two quadrilaterals are same. and these two quadrilaterals are lying between equal parallel lines so that their height will be equal. That is, perpendicular distance between these two parallel lines are equal. So that perpendicular distance, height also same. If base and also height of two quadrilaterals are equal, it means their areas are also equal. Area of a parallelogram is base into height. Your base is 6 centimeter. Height is not at all set, but we can put as h. So 6 into h. Area of this quadrilateral is 6 into perpendicular distance h. 6 into h. Again, just move to this parallelogram. Find the area. Area equals base into perpendicular distance. It is also 6 into h. What it means? The areas of these two parallelograms are equal. So, what is the answer for this question? Though parallelogram AMCD and MBCD are unequal, their areas are equal. Okay. Hope that you have understood how to solve this problem. ഇനി മനസ്സിലായിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ വീഡിയോ ആവർത്തിച്ച് കാണുക. പാരലലോഗ്രാമിന്റെ മറ്റൊരു പ്രോപ്പർട്ടിയുമായി വീണ്ടും കാണാം. എല്ലാവർക്കും നന്ദി.